With this indicator, you will make huge profit in a ridiculous way that it's perfect if you are a beginner. But before I go ahead, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for your crypto sniper, because I will post every day juicy content like this. Let's go ahead. So we start to add our indicators that you will see here, because I already added at my favorites, because I honestly use it a lot for scalping, for swing trade, for any time frame. It's very perfect. You will find here type fluid trades. You will select this from SMHC Lite, and as you can see, we can see here all the support and resistance. So basically in all the chart, this one it gives us a perfect area, a perfect range where we can trade for. So even if you are a scalper, you can use it for day trading, for swing trading, for scalping. You can use it also in the 1 minute. How it works. So basically this indicator, it marks the last point of interest where the price have a huge move. It can be a rejection, or it can be also a break of structure, but we will see in a more detailed way in another video that I will post very soon. So before we start to place our trade, we need to understand how it works, this indicator. So as I said, it marks the last price. So it's the area where the price it got rejected quite often, because in most of the case, once the price reach a key level like this one or this one or this one, it get rejected most of the time instead of pass through. Okay, so how are we gonna use it, this indicator, and how are we gonna use it for place our trade? For example, as we can see in the 15 minutes, we go in the 15 minutes because it's easier for me. I'm talking about when I want to do swing trading. What I do, I've seen yesterday I just made these trades in our copy trading group. What I did, I was waiting because I was seeing here a lot of selling pressure around this area. Let me mark it. And I've seen this line appear in the graphic. So I had the confirmation that this one was a good support level, a good resistance, I'm sorry. And so after I had the confirmation of a reversal, I entered it for a trend. Then I didn't close it here because yes, these two candles, it scared me just a little bit, but then I've seen that here it was almost at the same level, all this selling area, because this was another area where a lot of sellers started to open their short position here. In fact, the price go down a little bit, but it bounced once again at this level. So where you see BOS, which means break of structure, it was another line like this that it got broken from this candle. So basically the price, what it did from here, it jumped here, then it bounced. We saw again selling pressure, it touched this point once again, and then it bounced up, and then from here we can see a huge candle of rejection, and it price basically continued to go down. We had the confirmation here with another reversal that the price was literally intended to go down until where? Until it reached another key level, that it's this one. Even if it started from here, you can consider from here, and it bounced. As you can see in the 50-minute chart, it had a big bounce, it got rejected, and then it started to climb up. So what can you do now? Actually, we see here, we're talking about Bitcoin in this case, and we saw a big rejection around this area and around this area. So what can you do? It's wait for the price to reach this area again and open for enter for a short position with stop loss here, very conservative, or here if you want to risk a little bit too much, but always stay in a range at least 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 in some case risk reward. For example, here you can use this trade and take the profit with a 1 to 3 risk reward, or as well if you because sometimes for example if you are a scalper, if you want to trade in the 1 minute chart, you can't afford to wait so long for close a trade, because in the 1 minute chart this line are more easily to get broken. So the strongest support resistance that you find are absolutely in the daily chart, in the 4-hour chart, in the 1-hour chart, and also 15-minute charts are very good, but in the 5 minutes and in 1 minute we don't have to expect so much. But as you can see now in the 1 minute chart, I'm doing this example with no simplified market or simplified patterns. I'm doing this as example with real market, with all the charts that we see us every day for place our trade. So as you can see here, Bitcoin it reached this level, it's starting to have kind of rejection, but I will believe that he will touch this point more or less, so it will drop at least a little bit around this area for bounce again. So if you want, what you can do, you can enter for a quick long position or strike from here with a stop loss below this resistance level, and you have one reward ratio almost 1 to 1.5. It's not perfect, but for a quick scalping this is what scalpers like to do. Or a little bit more conservative and a little bit longer, you can place it from here if you see a bounce. So you can place it from here, a long position from here, once it reach this level, from here, and so the risk reward ratio it's quite a little bit better. Or we can enter in a short position if the price, for example, it breaks this line, what we can do, we expect that the price goes back up for have a rejection, and then we can enter for a short position. Guys, using this strategy it's quite easy, so I hope you understand. If you don't understand, write me in the comment, I will make another explanation much easier, but I think this is for real how we talk, just an indicator with two support, and we trade using this range area. So basically I'm putting my stop loss here, and I'm expecting to have a take profit here. In this case you can choose, you go for a long position or a short position. In this case I'm most likely wants to go for a short position, as I can see that this support, this resistance, it's quite stronger because it rejected the price here, and here. So I don't think that the price it will go much higher. But let me see some other example in also other bigger time frames. So we can go in the daily or in the 4-hour chart or in the daily, yes. And what we can do, let me make the graph smaller. In the daily we can really place long trade. So for example, we can wait for Bitcoin to retest once again this area, and we can enter in a short position for a quite bigger trade, with a stop loss at around 74,000 and a take profit around 61,000. So here we are talking already about long-term trades, medium long-term swing trades. But as I explained you, basically with this indicator you can use it for any kind of strategy. If you are interested in more in scalping, you can also join our community of of traders, of crypto traders, that we are doing amazing profits, and you absolutely for free. You just have to go on cryptosniperofficial.com, that you will find the link below in my description, sign up on Bybit. So you will basically click here, you will sign up on Bybit, so you will have your account that will allow you to trade. From here you will add your data, you will create your account. It's easy, very easy. Then you will follow the step for contact me and be able to join our community absolutely for free and follow my trades absolutely 100% automatically. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment what you think. Let me know in the comment also what you expect from Bitcoin these days, because we will talk about technical analysis a lot this week, because it's a very important week, just 9 or 10 days before the halving. So we are in a crucial period, because as I said, Bitcoin goes up to 85/90,000 or go down around 57-54,000. But I will make a video specifically for this kind of technical analysis very soon. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you set the alert on, so you will be always update about when I will release a new video about the technical analysis of Bitcoin. And also join our community from here, because you will stay always update about our post, about what we do and what we don't do. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, I remind you to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for other videos like this, and see you in the next time. Ciao.